Greetings, I am Shrey Gogia of Section 3, Subsection 3, and my roll number is 20PH20036. For this week's assignment, I am going to disassemble a TV box. So as you can see, this is a quite old TV box, and since modern televisions don't have VGA, they instead have HDMI. So I've connected this to my desktop monitor. So here I've connected the VGA cable, which goes in behind the monitor, and I've also connected the power cable here. So as you can see, the screen currently shows no signal because in this port next to the power cable we're supposed to connect the power line from television, but again, since this is an older model, the ports have changed nowadays. Anyways, it's, as you can see, working right now. And if you look at the volume buttons are working well, and channel buttons are also working well. It's just that since there's no input, we can't really see different channels. And this is the on and off button. That's off, that is on. This is a short time-lapse video for the disassembly of the TV box. The first component that we can easily notice is the fan, which is basically used to cool down the circuit. Now as we start to analyze the circuit board, the first things we can notice are the cylindrical capacitors. These capacitors are basically used to toggle between various channels, and the current in these capacitors and the voltages are controlled using this microprocessor. So all the components in the circuit are linked to it, and then these capacitors voltages are modified in order to toggle between various channels. It's also worth mentioning that the circuit board is made of epoxy resin, and these small wire terminals and other connections are made using either silver or aluminium. This port is the input for the TV companies, and this is the power port. Next, here we look at this LED, which is connected. When the board is on, it glows red color. So that's the LED. And this is the audio port. It's basically used to connect earphones or headphones to the TV box. These are the buttons made out of plastic. Now, since you've seen all the major components of the circuit, I'm assembling it again. It's again a time-lapse video. Now this is the video of after I've opened the box, so you can see the seal is broken. And so let's just check the buttons again. That's no signal for no input, but if I press on, it shows some channel in which there's no input, and the channel buttons are working well. So is the volume. And yeah, that's it. I've successfully assembled this TV box. Thank you.